Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Trevor Golliger hiking, and today we're doing our second video in a forest just on the south side of Brisbane. It's called Karawatha Forest. I did a video a while ago on the other side of the forest, which has had some big boulders and so forth, and I mentioned then I would probably come out and do a video on the other side because it is a lot different. And so here we are. We're going to go for our little bit of a hike now. I'm just going to stick to the main circuit today, and I'm also testing out my backpack. I've got a big multi-day hike coming up soon, so I'm just getting my match fitness with my backpack. So let's get started. We've had lots and lots of rain over the last couple of days, so there's going to be a fair bit of water about, and I'm assuming we're going to get a little bit wet, and I'm going to be able to test out my waterproof hiking boots. That's what they look like. Obos, they're really good shoes. Anyway, you're not here to see my boots. Let's get started. So most of this section of Karawatha is got a lot of old fire trails, and we're currently going up one as we speak. Or actually, I got a feeling this trail was originally cut in here for to build the high tensile power towers that run through this area. So I'm not sure if it was originally a fire trail or was made specifically for these towers. We're going to stick to one of the main tracks. We're going to get down here a little bit further, and I believe we'll come up to a sign and a trail to the right, and that's where we'll be heading. So hopefully that's about to happen soon. Oh, I just noticed all these beautiful fungi. I love fungus. Isn't that beautiful? I think there's a few more over here as well. So we got here the Hakia Trail, which is 11 kilometers. I don't think we'll be doing that one today, but we'll head down this way, and we'll probably turn off and come back towards the car park a few k's down. So let's get going. This is open woodland forest, if you're not aware, full of gum, she oaks, bloodwoods, a few ironbarks. There's a nice scribbly gum right here. It's quite big, that one too. A few big trees over to my left. The big storm we had a little while back, it must have knocked them out. You probably can see them. They're quite big. Don't know if my little camera picks up the enormity of them, but they're big. We're coming up now to a T-junction, and we could go straight ahead and end up on that bigger, whatever it was, 15-16k walk, but it's a bit overcast and rainy looking today, so I don't think I'll do that. I will head back towards the car park. So if we turn right here, it's going to bring us Illawina Street is where we started the walk today. There's a car park there, so if you're wanting to come and walk this section of the bushland here, Karawatha, you drive in through Illawina Street, I-L-L-A-W-E-E-N-A, as you can see on the sign over there. So we're not going to go straight ahead. We're going to, as I said, turn right. And we're going to go to Illawina Street, which is the car park we started at, and by the looks of things 2 k's away. So it's a nice little casual little walk. So all up, this is probably about a, I don't know, 5.5k little circuit, this one we're on. So if you've got nothing to do for an hour or so and you just want a little bit of exercise or get away from the world, it's a cute little walk, open, as I said, open woodland. Coming up now to another T-junction, and we'll continue to turn right. So when you get on this path from the Illawina car park, if you go over the bridge at the start, you just keep taking every right-hand turn that you come across, and that'll get you where you need to go. So So this is really overflowing. It's all across the path here. It looks like I'm going to have to paddle across that. And it's this is normally flowing just a little bit. And it's normally got turtles and that floating around in here. But it's become, you know, a lot bigger and stronger and muddy. We've hit another intersection here. Turn left, it takes you out to Illawina Street, but that's not where we want to go. We want to come around and keep going straight ahead to Illawina Street picnic area, which is 1.1 kilometers away. But as we're going up here, I'll just come over here. Over here you've got a little pond area, normally really beautiful and clear and really pretty, but today it's full of mud. We're just coming back to the car park. I probably should have did this first when we took off to go on the walk. This is where we are, Karawatha Forest track. We are here. We went up here, crossed the creek, we went over here, turned left. We went down here, turned left again, and we came back around. So that's basically the path we did. It's probably about 5 or 6 k's all up, I think we did. So anyway, we'll leave it at that. And thanks for watching, and we'll get to another video very soon. Like I said, in the next few weeks I'm going away on a couple of longer hikes, lots of waterfalls, lots of rainforests. So I'll be videoing all of that, and probably take my drone with me if I can get in there. Some of the national parks you can't use drones in. So anyway, we'll see what happens with that. So we'll see you on the next video, people. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, hit like, and we'll catch you soon. Bye.